Welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve a structural design problem that involves a wall footing design using working stress method based on eStructural Design Taichi found on the App Store. Design a wall footing using working stress method for an 8 inches masonry wall carrying a total load of 10,000 pounds per foot. Design criteria as follows. Strength of concrete 3000 psi. Main bars 5/8-inch diameter bar grade 40, temperature bars half-inch diameter bar grade 33, soil bearing capacity 3000 psf. The wall footing carries a load of 10,000 pounds per foot and assume a self-weight of 350 pounds per foot for a total load of 10,350 pounds per foot. Enumerate input parameters required. WF4 for footing name. Depth from natural grade line 2 feet 6 inches. Main bars 5/8-inch diameter bar at grade 40. Temperature bars half-inch diameter bar at grade 33. Strength of concrete 3000 psi. Soil bearing capacity 3000 psf. Wall thickness 8 inches masonry wall and total load of 10,350 pounds per foot. Balance section properties are as follows. N equals 9.289, K equals 0.385, J equals 0.872. Given W equals 10,350 pounds per foot and Q equals 3000 psf, the width of footing is 42 inches. Net upward soil pressure is 2,858 psf. Critical sections for moment and bond. Critical sections for shear. Following the given computations, the effective depth is 5 inches and total depth is 8 inches. Given footing width of 42 inches, 8 inches thick masonry wall, and net soil pressure of 2,858, the moment is 42,989.08 inch-pounds. The area of steel is 0.49 square inch, and the spacing for 5/8-inch diameter bar is 7.5 inches. The area of steel for temperature bar is 0.672 square inch. The number of bars for half-inch diameter is 4. The shear force is 3,334.33 pounds and shear stress is 55.57 psi, less than 60.25 psi. The bond force is 4,525.17 pounds and bond stress is 330.54 psi, less than 420.65 psi. Design results are as follows. Fc prime equals 3000 psi, Fs equals 20,000 psi, footing size is 3 feet 6 inches by 8 inches, main bars of grade 40, 5/8-inch diameter bar at 7.5 inches on center, temperature bars of grade 33, 4 pieces half-inch diameter bar at 12 inches on center, depth of footing from natural grade line 2 feet 6 inches. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.